Welcome to Learn to Code, where everybody can code. In today's video, we are going to learn about the tokens in a C programming language. Let's start with what is meant by a token. Tokens in C language are the smallest possible unit of a program that conveys a specific meaning to the compiler. It is the building block of a programming language. There are 6 types of tokens in C programming language. First, keyword. Second, identifier. Third, constant. Fourth, string. Fifth, special symbol. Sixth, operator. Now we know the 6 types of tokens in a C programming language. Let's discuss one by one. The first type is keywords in C. Keywords are the reserved words that meaning is already known by the compiler. We cannot simply use keywords for assigning variable names, as it would mean a totally different meaning to the word. There are a total of 32 keywords offered in C programming language. The following are the 32 keywords. Some of the keywords are auto, break, case, int, etc. Keynote: all the keywords in C are lowercase in nature. The second type is identifiers in C. Identifiers are names given to different entities such as constants, variables, structures, functions, etc. Example: int amount, double total balance. In the above example, amount and total balance are identifiers and int and double are keywords. The user may use a combination of different character sets available in the C language to name an identifier. But there are certain rules to be followed by the user on his part when naming identifiers, otherwise, the compiler generates the error. Following are these rules. First character. The first character of the identifier should necessarily begin with either an alphabet or an underscore. It cannot begin with a digit. Second, no special characters. C does not support the use of special characters while naming an identifier. For example, special characters like comma or question marks cannot be used. Third, no keywords. We cannot use keywords as identifiers, as they are reserved words which we have already discussed. Fourth, no white space. White spaces include blank spaces, new line, carriage return, and horizontal tab, which cannot be used in an identifier. Fifth, word limit. The identifier name can have an arbitrarily long sequence that should not exceed 31 characters, otherwise, it would be insignificant. Sixth, case sensitive. Uppercase and lowercase characters are treated differently. Some of the examples of identifiers are here, that are the valid identifiers, and that are the invalid identifiers. The third type is constants in C. Constants, as the name itself suggests, are fixed values, that is, they cannot change their value during program execution once they are defined. Following is the syntax of constant in C programming. Const keyword, data type, variable name, value. Now we will discuss the various types of constants in C language. First, integer constants. It is used to represent the integer data type value. For example, constant value equals 400. Second, floating constants. It is used to represent the float data type value. For example, const float pi equals 3.14. Third, character constants. It is used to represent the character data type value. For example, const char gender equals f single quote. For string constants, it is used to represent the string data type value. For example, const char name equals learn to code. Fifth, hexadecimal constants. The number system which consists of 16 digits, from 0 to 9, and alphabets A to F, is called hexadecimal number system. The constant hexadecimal values can be declared as constant hex equals 0x40. It is the hexadecimal equivalent of digit 64 in the decimal number system. The fourth type is strings in C. Just like characters, strings are used to store letters and digits. Strings in C are referred to as an array of characters. It is enclosed within double quotes, unlike characters which are stored within single quotes. The termination of a string is represented by the null character that is \0. The size of a string is the number of individual characters it has. The fifth type is special symbols of C. Apart from letters and digits, there are some special characters in C, which will help you to manipulate or perform data operations. Each special symbol has a specific meaning to the C compiler. First, square brackets, the opening and closing brackets of an array, indicate single and multidimensional subscripts. Second, simple brackets, used to represent function declaration and calls, used in print statements. Third, curly braces, denote the start and end of a particular fragment of code, which may be functions or loops or conditional statements. Fourth, comma, separate more than one statement, like in the declaration of different variable names in C. Fifth, hash, a preprocessor directive, utilized for denoting the use of a header file. Sixth, asterisk, to declare pointers, and also used as an operand for multiplication. Seventh, dot, to access a member of a structure. The sixth type is operators in C. Operators in C are tools or symbols, which are used to perform a specific operation on data. Operations are performed on the operand. Operators can be classified into three broad categories, according to the number of operand used, which are as follows. First, unary, it involves the use of a single operand. For instance, this is a unary operator that operates on a single variable, which denotes negation or complement. Second, binary, it involves the use of two operand. They are further classified as arithmetic, relational, logical, assignment, bitewise, conditional. Third, ternary, it involves the use of three operand. For instance, a ternary operator is used in place of if-else conditions. In this video, we learned about the tokens in C programming language and their 6 different types in detail. Hopefully, you have learned well from this video, made with extreme simplicity to help you learn the tokens in C programming language. If you like our video, please like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.